Hello, trading is closed on March 18th, 2019. Go over our calls, look for the pattern with the early high. We got that. Said it had a tendency to rally all day. Closed near the high. We rallied most of the day. Didn't close near the high, which is negative, but the negativity goes away if we gap and take this out promptly. Had a target of 28.29.15 on italics because it wasn't in the original rules, and that printed. We said all the bulls had to do is to gap over this high and not reverse it quickly. All the bears had to do was to gap under this low and not reverse it quickly. We gapped up and took this high out quickly, which is just as good as a gap, and the question is this a reversal? And the answer is it's too muddy for me to call one way or the other. If it drops, you can say that was a straight line drop, and if it goes up, then you can say you got the rally to the end. Can't place an order like that, so it's too hard to call for me at this point. We're actually getting close to the 28.43.89 target from last October. When you're this close, it usually prints, but it doesn't have to. During the day, here was an ultimate buy signal. Said this drop wouldn't stick. Said this rally would retrace. That worked. We got an ultimate sell signal. That worked. Ultimate buy signal. We got the minimum. We usually get more of a rally than this. But once again, even though you usually get it, you don't have to. We still keep trying to find the end of this move here. Now we have a volatility index that's gone under the lower Bollinger Band and then over it. It's supposed to be a sell signal. But again, if we have a good rally tomorrow, it'll just go under this Bollinger Band again. So it's not the kind of thing I plan to risk money on myself. If we drop, you can say, there's the signal, and if we go up, just say it was a false move. I don't feel like risking money on something like that. Now we got a violation of the DeMark sequential, but he says the stop is loose. That's kind of muddy. He broke through these lines, but not by much. It's kind of a muddy signal again. The Fibonacci ratios we showed over the weekend didn't get violated by much. Again, if it drops from here, you'll say it's close enough. And if it rallies, you can say, I told you so. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early high. We need to clear this early, ideally by gapping over it, or else lower prices print. Doesn't mean you have to close lower, though. It's really too muddy for me to make a clear call, and it wouldn't surprise me if we close a little change, but I'm just not going to make a specific call for tomorrow other than to say it's a pattern with the early high, and other than to say if we don't clear this, lower prices, clear this early, lower prices print. But more than that, I'm not willing to say, and that's today's non-call, I guess.